Assalamualaikum, welcome to AK Education YouTube channel. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. इससे मेरी आने वाली हर वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंचेगी. So आज हम केमिस्ट्री के चैप्टर नंबर 2 के MCQ सॉल्व करेंगे which are according to PMC. So let's start the MCQs.
So the MCQ number 1, the letters S, P, D and F are used to represent which quantum number? A. Principal, B as neutral, C magnetic, D spin. Right options आप comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is B as neutral. The magnetic quantum number Qn has its value determined directly by the value of A. Principal, B as neutral, C spin, D both A and B. Right options आप comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is B as neutral quantum number. The atomic number of an element having maximum number of unpaired electron in p subshell is A7, B10, C12, D16. Right options आप comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is A7. When an atom absorbs energy, the lines in the spectrum will appear which are A. brighter, B. darker, C. colorless, D. hard to locate. Right options आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yeah, you are right. B. darker. Color of fluorescence produced by cathode rays depends upon A. temperature, B. pressure, C. volume, D. composition of glass. Right options आप comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is D. composition of glass. Which one is not true about cathode rays? A. 11 into 10 minus 31 kg. B. cast shadow. C. heat up the plutonium foil. D. cannot ionize. Right options comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is D. cannot ionize. Positive rays are produced by A. by burning of gas, B. by cooling of the gas, C. by the bombardment of cathode rays on gas molecules, D. from anode like cathode rays produced from cathode. Right options आप comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is C. by the bombardment of cathode rays on gas molecules. Rutherford planet-like structure was defective and unsatisfactory because A. moving electron accelerate towards the nucleus, B. continuous spectrum, C. behavior of electron remain unexplained, D. all. Right options आप comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is all. The relationship between energy of a photon of light and its frequency is given by A. de Broglie dual nature of matter, B. Bohr's model, C. Planck's quantum theory, D. Rutherford atomic model. Right options आप comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is C. Planck's quantum theory. Splitting of spectral lines when atom is subjected to magnetic field is called A. Siemens effect, B. Stark's effect, C. photoelectric effect, D. Compton effect. Right options आप comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is A. Siemens effect. The velocity of the photon. A. is independent of wavelength, B. depends upon source, C. depends upon its frequency, D. equal to the square of amplitude. Right options आप comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is A. is independent of wavelength. Which one of the following explain the shapes of orbital? A. principal quantum number, B. as neutral quantum number, C. magnetic quantum number, D. spin quantum number. Right options आप comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is B. as neutral quantum number. Atom cannot be divided into simple It's theorized by A. Rutherford, B. Dalton, C. Bohr, D. Schrodinger. राइट ऑप्शन आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें। या सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज बी डाल्टन। Pressure in gas discharge tube was capped A. 10 torr, B. 1 torr, C. 1 torr, D. 0.1 torr. राइट ऑप्शंस आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें। Yes, the right option is D. 101 torr. The number of fundamental particles in an atom of the lightest isotope carbon are A6, B12, C18, D20. Right options आप comment section में लिखें। Yeah, so the right option is C18. Angle of deflection was studied by A. Hittorf, B. Stoney, C. William Crookes, D. J. Perrin. Right options आप comment section में लिखें। Yeah, so the right option is D. J. Perrin. Increase in atomic number is observed during A. Alpha emission, B. Beta emission, C. Both A and B, D. Radioactive. Right options आप comment section में लिखें। Yeah, so the right option is B. Beta emission. Positive rays give flash on A. Silver nitride plate, B. Silver chloride plate, C. Zinc oxide, D. Zinc sulfide. Right options आप comment section में लिखें। Yeah, so the right option is D. Zinc sulfide. Free neutron charges into proton with the emission of A. neutrino, B. electron, C. both A and B, D. meson. Right options आप comment section में लिखें। Yeah, so the right option is C. both A and B. The value of electron per mass ratio of electron is A. 0.2 into 1023 charge per kg, B. 7588 into 1020 charge per kg, C. 1095 into 10 minus 31 charge per kg, D. 7588 into 1011 charge per kg. राइट ऑप्शंस आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें। या सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज डी। चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन वाज मेजर्ड बाय ए. J. Thomson, B. Millikan, C. Rutherford, D. Perrin. राइट ऑप्शंस आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें। या सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज B. Millikan. Rutherford bombarded particles in discovery of nucleus. A. Gamma rays, B. Alpha rays, C. Beta rays, D. X rays. Right options आप अपने comment section में लिखें। Yeah, so the right option is B. Alpha rays. Planck's theory says energy is emitted A. in continuous manner, B. discontinuous manner, C. simultaneously, D. in the form of heat. Right options अपने comment section में लिखें। Yeah, so the right option is B. discontinuous manner. Second orbit is away from nucleus of H atom as compared to first orbit is A. 2 times, B. 3 times, C. 4 times, D. 6 times. Right options आप अपने comment section में लिखें। Yeah, so the right option is C. 4 times. The maximum number of orbitals present in a subshell that is represented by as neutral quantum number is equal to 3 will be A1, B3, C5, D7. Right options आप comment section में लिखें। Yeah, so the right option is D. The correct electronic configuration of copper is Ar4s1, Ar4s2, Ar3d10, 4s1, Ar3d9, 4s2. राइट ऑप्शंस आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is C. P and series are produced in the spectrum of hydrogen atoms. A, when electron jump down to second orbit. B, when electron jump down to third orbit. C, when electron jump down to fourth orbit. D, when electron jump down to fifth orbit. Right options आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is D, when electron jump down to fifth orbit. Atomic orbit having same energy are called A, degenerate orbitals. B, bonding molecular orbitals. C, anti-bonding molecular orbitals. D, half-filled orbitals. Right options आप comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is A, degenerate orbitals. Sommerfeld's modification in Bohr's model is: A, orbit is cylindrical. B, orbit is elliptical. C, orbit is longitudinal. D, orbit is asymmetrical. Right options आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is B. When electrons collide with heavy metals, then dash are produced: A, beta rays. B, alpha rays. C, X-rays. D, gamma rays. Right options आप comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is C, X-rays. Atom with high atomic number produce X-rays of A, shorter wavelength. B, larger wavelength. C, X-ray are not produced. D, all are possible. Right options आप comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is A, shorter wavelength. Wavelength of electron was verified by A, Moseley. B, Davison and Germer. C, Einstein. D, Röntgen. Right option आप comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is B. Space around nucleus where finding probability of electron is maximum is called A, orbital. B, orbit is elliptical. C, subshell. D, electron cloud. Right option आप comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is A, orbital. Quantum number which tells the energy of electron is An, B1, Cm, Ds. Right option आप comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is An. Electronic configuration of potassium is A, argon 4s2. B, argon 4s1. C, krypton 5s1. D, helium 2s1. Right options आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is B. Dash can expel protons from paraffins: A, electron. B, positron. C, neutron. D, none of above has such capability. Right options आप comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is C. Millikan used dash in his atomizer: A, milk. B, honey. C, oil. D, water. Right option आप comment section में लिखें. Yeah, the right option is C, oil. Centrifugal forces are balanced in atom by A, attractive force. B, repulsive force. C, electrons. B, neutrons. Right options आप comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is A, attractive force. Spectrum is produced due to A, different wavelength. B, different colors. C, different intensities. D, all have little contribution. Right options आप comment section में लिखें. Yeah, so the right option is A, different wavelength. When 6d orbital is complete, the entering electron goes into AF, 7f, B, 7s, C, 7p, D, 7d. राइट ऑप्शंस आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. The right option is C, 7p. When electron jump into orbital 1, then series obtained is A. Lyman, B. Parsons, C. Pfund, D. Brackett. Right options आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. So the right option is A. Lyman. Neutron moving with an energy of 1.2 megaelectron-volt are called A. fast neutrons, B. slow neutrons, C. moderate neutrons, D. all are possible. Right options आप comment section में लिखें. So the right option is A. fast neutrons. Splitting of spectral line when atoms are subjected to strong electric field is called A. Zeeman effect, B. Stark effect, C. photoelectric effect, D. Compton effect. Right options आप अपने comment section में लिखें. So the right option is B. Stark effect. 3 quantum numbers have been derived from equation of A. de Broglie, B. Planck, C. Schwinder, D. Heisenberg. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. So the right option is C.